Welcome back to my channel. This is John Chef, and this is my C7 Corvette channel. And today I'm previewing the Corvette Z06. Of course, this is not a Corvette. This is not a Z06 here that I personally own. This is the base model Stingray Corvette. The Z06, the last Z06 came out. I think well, the first Z06 was revealed, and I believe it was 1963, and from 1963 on up to 2004, there wasn't any new Z06s. The Z06 was revealed for the second time in 2003. Well, no, let me take that back. Actually, the Z06 was revealed again the second time. Yes, it was. It's 2003. It was called the C5 model, and the C5 model had like a 405 horsepower, 7-liter engine. And what set the Z06 off different from the regular Stingray, and different from the Grand Sport is the wide body. The Stingray base model is what you're personally looking at. This is not the wide body. The Z06 does have the wide body and the ground effects kit to it, and it usually have a high spotter. And the Z06 also comes with the L2 engine. That's 6.2 liter. And it's a 665 horsepower. Okay, now the Z06 comes in a variety of options, anywhere from the coupe to the convertible. I think in 2005, when they had the C5, when the C5 came out, the C5 was not it did not come with a removable target top. It was just a regular top that was non-removable, and that's because it did have a trunk. It wasn't a hatch like it is today. It had its own trunk, cargo space in it, and that's the C5 model. From the C5, from 1963 to the C5 model. When the C5 models came out, that was the celebration of the 50th year of the Z06, and that's why they came out with the C5 model. In the C5 model was basically a cheap race car. Because back then the C5 back then the Z06 didn't cost as much as they do today. today's Z06s, if you want to get you a brand new one, like a 2000 model, well, up until the 2020 season come in, you couldn't purchase a Z06 up under $100,000. I think actually they was running like about 110, 111, or 112, something like that. And you can always distinguish the Z06 from the regular Stingray, and because of the wide body and the added options that went along with the Z06, things like a wider tire, wide wheels. The front wheels on the Z06 is like at least I say the 2018 model. I think the 19 model they might have changed it, but the 2018 model, the front wheel was like 19 on the front and 20 on the back, and that was those big wide tires. Is what I'm talking about. This is 2016, and it has a 2000. It has a 18 on the front and 19 on the back. They not as wide as the Z06. Those wide wheels gives you more control and gives you more you can get more power to the wheel by the wheels being wide like that. So that's what I'm trying to say. I'm eagerly anticipating the new Z06's 2000 and with the 2020 C8. We don't know what that's going to be like, but we know it's going to be really different from any other Z06 ever manufactured, especially the Zora model. And the Zora model is supposed to be equivalent to the. Actually, I think the Zora model. I don't know if it's going to replace the Z06. I don't know if that's why they call it the Zora model. Is that going to replace the Z06, or is that going to replace the ZR1? Well, they are coming out with a Zora model, and from what I hear, the Zora model is supposed to be the hybrid. It's going to be a hybrid vehicle, and it's going to be putting out about 1,000 horsepower to the wheel, and that's one of the reasons why they went to mid-engine, to be able to put down more horsepower to the wheel. This car here, this base model here, is only 455 or 460 horsepower, and if it weren't for the onboard computer, track control, wheel spinning control, and all the things that the computer does to assist you in the driving. If it weren't for that, yeah, you can't even drive this car. And this is a long way from 400. I mean, from 1,000 horsepower. And again, this is just like 455, 460 horsepower. But that's the power that these vehicles are putting out. So if you ever wanted to own yourself a race car, now's the time to do so. You can get these cars now. You can get these Z06s. You can get yourself a Z06 now around about $60,000, somewhere in that range. And these cars are known for to have low mileage, and they have low mileage because of most people that get and own these cars, they don't really truly drive them. The car basically is a garage queen. So you can get yourself one if you ever wanted to own yourself a vehicle like this. Like I said, I'm waiting for the C8. The rest of the models will come out. Where I made my decisions what I want to do. I wanted to keep this one and finish paying for it, and then just go ahead and get me a second one. And depending on after I get the second one, what's going on, in my life. I don't know if that's going to be my last one or what, because I am going towards reaching towards retirement age, and I've been working since I was 15 years old, and I'm 58 now, and so I'm fast approaching retirement age, and I like to be able to be able to enjoy life and do other things in life besides just work real hard. Even though I work for myself, I have my own business. I like to be able to just sit back and enjoy life and doing some of the things I want to do. Like maybe go get me a fishing boat or something like that, and fish all day, or even go and get me a RV and go camping. Being able to go to different football games, in other states and stuff like that. Instead of always working. So that comes a time when you have to stop building a life and start living a life, and start enjoying yourself. And I think that time has come for me, and I definitely want to have the opportunity to enjoy it. I don't know why I am fairly still kind of young. At least I'm not too young, but hell, at least I'm pretty healthy. And at least that's I feel like I'm healthy. But I want to be able to enjoy things where I still got good health, and I don't want to run myself into the ground for where I can't do for myself, and then want to start living. Then that's no way of living. So I want to be able to start enjoying life, and while I'm still young and got good health and good strength. But for all of you that wanted to own a Corvette, I encourage you to do your research and go out and get yourself one. There are plenty of bargains going on now to get yourself a Corvette, especially since this new 2020 C8 model has come out and on the scene today. So you can get you a deal on a 2019, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, you can get you a deal on those cars now because of this new vet come out, and this new vet is driving the prices down lower for the old vet. Now you ain't gonna get them too cheap because these cars do hold their value, and they hold their value. And as a matter of fact, when you hang on to them too long, they'll start going back up in value because it's a collective item. These are not normal cars. So if you ever want to get yourself one, I think now's the time to do it. And stop dreaming and start driving. Your new Corvette. Now's the time to start trying to get yourself one. I'm back to the house now. I'm glad I was able to come out and make this video. Again, you get to excuse the things in the back. So as I said before, I'm a business owner. Some of the things that's in the back there is stuff that I use to conduct my business. And being a business owner, I don't get a chance to rest like I would like to. Really enjoy my car. Most time you see me in the car, so I'm driving to a customer because of I blew up the engine to my pickup truck. So that's why you see me in my car all the time. Other than that, my car would probably be a garage. When I first got this car, it was not my intention to put these kind of miles on it. Since she has 100,000 miles on it, but those are not all the miles that I put on it. She had 57,000 miles on it when I bought it, when I purchased it. So I put just under 50,000 on it myself. And so when my engine blew up in my pickup truck, I didn't have anything else to drive, and since I'm the only one in my family, in my immediate family, is able to drive a manual, a car like this, I couldn't get it to my wife. No way in the world she could drive something like this. Neither my daughter. So I was stuck with having to drive it back and forth to my different customers. And my intention was to keep it just for a year and upgrade it for a 06. But we like those plans has changed because, like I said, she got 100,000 miles on it, and once you get 100,000 miles on these cars, it's hard to sell them. So you can still sell it, but you just want to get the price you want for it. So I just decided to keep keeping the finished paint for it. I have about 4 more years. Before she is completely paid for. Hopefully, I've been paid for it long before then. But I got it financed at 72 months. And yeah, these cars are very, very expensive. So you want to get out and enjoy your ride when you purchase these things, because you pay a lot of money for them. You don't want it just to be a garage screen. You don't want to just take it out and go to a Corvette show and that's it. You put some miles on it. That shows that you enjoy it. And the people at Hendrick Chevrolet, every time I come in and get my car service, I'm always the talk of the town because of the miles I put on the vehicle. And they want to know that you truly enjoy their product. Even though I didn't put the whole 100,000 miles on the vehicle, it's only 150,000. But still, most Corvettes in the life of the car doesn't even reach 100,000 miles. But I was able to meet a gentleman. I think it was about maybe 5-6 months ago when I had my vehicle at Hendrick to get service. And I think he had like a C4 model or C5 model. And he had 200,000 miles on his vehicle. And he said the only thing he did to it was he replaced the transmission. So he had to replace the transmission on it. But these cars are known to get 300,000 plus. But most people don't. Either keep them that long, or it just don't drive them for them to reach 300,000. But the founding father, Zora, Germany born, he drove a particular Corvette himself too. He used it. They used this Corvette as a daily driver. And he drove his Corvette till he had like way over 300,000 miles on it. And you can see that Corvette today if you're interested at the Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. And he was a fan of the manual transmission. But since he said he was going to daily drive it, he drove an automatic. And he only drove an automatic because he was daily driving his vehicle. But to me, if you can't get a manual, I mean, the cars nowadays are different. You got this manual and auto shifter, whatever you want to call it, pedal shifter. You don't have no clutch. You don't have a stick. That ain't no manual. That's one of those new gadgets where you just click on a little toggle switch up on your steering wheel, and you put your transmission to a different mode, and the transmission allows you to shift on your own just using a toggle switch. No, that to me that's not no real man. And yeah, I'm old school. So if I want me a sports car, a race car. I want my pedal, and I want my gift ship. I can do stuff like that. That's a race car. That's a race car. I'm gonna head on back to the house. By these streets here in Birmingham County, there's no really no place to give you a demonstration of what this vehicle will do. Okay, still going. Yeah, it's no place to really give you a demonstration of what she does, what she do. So I just take it easy when I'm driving it, and maybe one day I might decide to take it on a track or something. Let you guys see what she really does. What she really can do. But around here, traffic kind of bad, and the way people drive is, I don't know, it's just too much of a gamble. Cars really fast. Being careful with these cars. The car can become a missile. Seriously hurt somebody, seriously hurt yourself. 200 mile an hour car, then nothing to play with. It's nothing to sneeze at. Really, these roads out here, even the interstate, it's not big enough to go 200 miles an hour. Do good to 100. That's just in a selected area. You definitely don't want to run on 200. I have gotten up to 150. Now it's on the new interstate. New interstate getting Birmingham. 22. 22 ones off of 65. One more. 22 take you to Memphis, Tennessee. It was late at night. I couldn't track it out. So I let it whip. Sometimes I'm amazed how people react when I get behind them in this car. They act in a way like I'm going to race them. Most of the time I don't even paying them no attention. Yeah, if I want to race, I go on the racetrack. I ain't out here trying to race everybody. So I'm not out here trying to tear up my car. So I don't know why I keep acting like that. believe me, if I want to race, you can handle this car. Trust me. Not if you have a regular car. You need to have something that's equal or greater than this car in order to beat it. This is not a normal vehicle, not a normal sports car. It's a race car. And that's why we are able to take these cars, put it on a racetrack, and race around the track. Because it's a race car. You can't do that with a normal car. Neither can you challenge a car like this, because it's a race car. It's not a normal car. This is John Share. This is my C7 Corvette channel. I ask you to get the like button, share button, and subscribe to my channel. I hope to bring you some more exciting content in the near future about the Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. I am eagerly anticipating purchasing myself a mid-engine C8 2020. Hopefully one day in not so near future, I'll be able to do just that. Again, I ask you to hit the like button, share button, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.
The difference is only in the green.
No matter how good the car looks, pretty as pretty does, she's got to go where she looks. I wouldn't have a car that didn't have the fastest engines and everything. I've got engines in here now. I shouldn't talk to you about it because you're not supposed to be doing this.
In every individual. So to bring out the best in people, you have to have them involved. Well, people like to be involved in things that are exciting. And of course, the whole idea of racing is exciting in itself. To be out here and enjoy the thrill of racing is important.